Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Top. Today we're slicing into the world of ceramic knives. These lightweight and razor-sharp tools have gained popularity in kitchens around the world, but are they the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of ceramic knives so you can decide if they deserve a spot in your knife block. And if you're interested in checking out the best ceramic knives with all the top features, be sure to find the links to our recommended products in the video description. Let's get started. Pros of ceramic knives. First up, let's talk about the pros, and ceramic knives have plenty of them. One of the biggest advantages is their incredible sharpness. Ceramic knives are made from zirconium oxide, a material that is second only to diamonds in hardness. This means they can be ground to a very fine edge, resulting in a blade that's incredibly sharp and stays sharp for a long time. Unlike steel knives that require regular honing and sharpening, ceramic knives maintain their edge much longer, making them perfect for slicing fruits, vegetables, and boneless meats with precision. Another great benefit of ceramic knives is their lightweight. Because they're made from ceramic materials, they're significantly lighter than their steel counterparts, making them easy to handle and less tiring to use over extended periods. This makes them a great option for people who prefer a more nimble, easy-to-maneuver knife in the kitchen. Ceramic knives are also resistant to rust, stains, and acids. This means they won't transfer odors or metallic tastes to your food, and you won't have to worry about them corroding over time. They're perfect for working with acidic foods like citrus or tomatoes, and their non-reactive nature keeps your ingredients pure and fresh. Another pro is the ease of cleaning. Ceramic knives have a smooth, non-porous surface that doesn't hold on to food particles, making them super easy to rinse off and keep clean. A quick wash with mild soap and water is usually all it takes to keep them in top condition. Remember, if you are interested in purchasing a product with all the positive features mentioned above, we will leave you the links with the best options in the video description. Cons of ceramic knives. Now let's take a look at the cons, although they're not deal breakers for most people. One of the main drawbacks of ceramic knives is their brittleness. While they're incredibly hard, they're also more prone to chipping or breaking if used improperly. This means they're not ideal for cutting through bones, frozen foods, or anything too hard. They're best suited for slicing softer ingredients. So if you're looking for an all-purpose kitchen knife, you might still want to have a good steel knife on hand. Another consideration is that ceramic knives can be more challenging to sharpen. Unlike steel knives, which can be sharpened with a standard honing rod or sharpener, ceramic knives require a diamond sharpener, which is a bit more specialized and not as commonly found in most kitchens. However, because ceramic knives stay sharp for so long, you won't need to sharpen them frequently. Ceramic knives can also be more expensive up front compared to basic steel knives. While prices have come down as they've become more popular, high-quality ceramic knives can still cost a bit more. However, their durability and the extended time between sharpenings can make them a worthwhile investment in the long run. Lastly, ceramic knives might not be the best choice for heavy-duty kitchen tasks. Their lightweight and brittle nature mean they're not suited for chopping hard vegetables like squash or handling more demanding prep work. But for everyday slicing and dicing, they're a fantastic addition to any kitchen. So there you have it, the pros and cons of ceramic knives. They offer incredible sharpness, lightweight handling, and resistance to rust and stains, making them a great choice for precision slicing and everyday kitchen tasks. While they do have some limitations, like brittleness and a higher initial cost, the benefits often outweigh the downsides, especially if you're looking for a knife that stays sharp with minimal maintenance. If you're ready to add a ceramic knife to your kitchen lineup, be sure to check out the links to the most recommended products in the description below. Thanks for watching Super Top today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and top picks. See you at the next Super Top.